is the Connor Mommy HVAC collab. We are filming the central air conditioners.
Connor, I don't know. Hey. Listen. Just because we're walking doesn't mean
So, two rooms back here.
nothing up on the sidewalk.
No,
You get collab.
no.
All right, then we have to go to only people's houses that we know. Only people we have permission for. Maybe we should go back to our house. Huh?
Why? See what the year are they from? Here. Camera's very blurry. Here we got two carrier weather makers.
Don't you dare.
I was fixing the carrier logo. It's not working. Carrier logo. Piron. It's from 2003. It's another weather maker. It has the logo right. 2003. It's got Piron. Whoa. Never seen what that is. It's cool looking right here.
Oh, it's for drainage.
Yeah. A little circle. Didn't know why they had that.
Well, if it rains, water's got to come out somewhere.
It's a Lennox Merit and an American Standard. That does look new. That apron has to be replaced as well. So is the side. This apron has to be replaced as well. So is the side. This is part of the sidewalk. Because it's all not that smooth. It's rough.
Hey, how are you? Hey, Connor, how are you?
Hey.
You don't recognize me without a dog.
And then also over there with the Bryant. That's where Sadie lives, and I know the dog Sadie. And that's also my ally's house too. Car's waiting for me. And I know this house, so I'm gonna take a look at the Bryant. There's a Bryant over there I want to look at. Here's the Bryant Legacy line. Here's the train. suction line. It's got our 410 Apiron. It's from 2008. That is a 2.5 ton, I think. Yeah, that is a 2.5 ton. It's got a compressor blanket. The wires. Just cleaning this top off. Yeah. That's where Sadie lives, and I know this house. This is also my allies. See, it's a little dirty. This has to be cleaned. There's the train XL 19i. Yeah. It has no logo on it. That's my ally. That's my other allies, Bryant. This is a legacy line or a preferred series. I actually prefer that as a legacy line.
One more, then we're going home. Okay? Got it.
Someone's crying. The Heil and the Nordine over there. Yeah. This is the HVAC collab. This part of the neighborhood. There's a Tempstar Smart Comfort, older version. Then another Heil, a little covered up. Yeah, this is the older Heils right here. Logos falling right there. Like the other carrier, like the other carrier weathermaker I saw, like the first carrier weathermaker I saw, that its logo tilted or fell off on purpose. There's another Lennox Merit, or actually this one's an Elite. Yeah, this one's an Elite. Yeah, this one is actually covered up right now. I don't know why it's still covered up, but it's already spring. Now all these things have to be uncovered. That used to be a speed hump right there, but now they got new asphalt. Damn, it's blurry. There's an Amana right here, and American Standard. Not running. No, I have to cross.
No, we're gonna go home now.
Why? There's one more unit I have to see.
Okay, then we're gonna go
I have to go up close. There's one more unit I have to go up close. After this white car. Let's go. Just caught that crossing the road on camera. There's a really old 1980s Lennox.
They took down a lot of bushes. I don't think we've ever seen that house in front before.
See, now you can see that little window right there and the door. You can see it all better. You also see that too. Yeah.
It's probably gonna run out of battery.
See, 2 American standards here on the video, so I'll check the battery.